Do you get angry sometimes? Everyone does. Let's talk about anger and how to feel better. Hi guys, I'm Leo Darren, and welcome to Leo English Channel. Today we talk about a very human feeling, anger. I will tell you why we get angry, how it feels, and some ways to stay calm. Are you ready? Let's start. I feel angry sometimes. Everyone feels angry. Anger is a normal emotion. It happens when something is wrong, unfair, or annoying. For example, I feel angry when I lose in a game or when someone is rude. Anger can feel in our body, too. My heart beats faster. My face may become red. Sometimes I want to shout or hit something. These feelings are normal, but we need to control them. I remember one day I lost my favorite book. I was very angry. I shouted and felt upset. But then I took a deep breath and tried to find it calmly. After a few minutes, I found it under my bed. I was happy and felt better. It is important to express anger in a healthy way. You can talk to a friend, write in a diary, or take a walk. Don't hurt yourself or others. Anger is like fire. Fire can be useful, but it can also burn things if we are not careful. Sometimes laughter or fun can help reduce anger. If I feel angry, I talk to my friends or watch a funny video. It helps me calm down. Exercise is also good. Running, swimming, or playing football can release angry energy. Do you know that everyone gets angry sometimes? Children, teenagers, adults, and older people all feel anger. Anger is normal, but controlling it is important. I want to ask you, what makes you angry? Do you get angry at friends, family, school, or work? It is okay to feel angry. The important thing is to stay calm and solve the problem. Here are some tips for controlling anger. 1. Take deep breaths. Breathe slowly and feel calm. 2. Count to 10 before speaking or reacting. 3. Talk to someone you trust about your feelings. 4. Take a short walk or do exercise. 5. Think of happy memories or funny moments. I remember another time I was angry because I spilled water on my homework. At first, I was very upset, but then I laughed at myself, cleaned it, and finished my homework. Laughing helped me feel better. Finally, remember, anger is normal and human, but it is important to control it and stay calm. Everyone can feel angry, but everyone can learn how to handle it. So let's try to stay calm, breathe, and solve problems. Thank you for listening. Tell me in the comments, what do you do when you feel angry? I want to know. Remember, anger is normal, but calm actions are powerful. Stay calm, stay happy.